How to simply set up Discord server statistics on your Discord account on the homepage. Firstly, this is my server statistics page of Discord available here in my homepage. How do you set up server bots? Step 1 is adding the bot. This is the official website. The first thing you need to do is add the bot to your server using the button under this text to add to your bot. If you're on a phone, it's better to open the invite link in your browser and you don't have to change the permission. It's already set to the bare minimum. Now, you simply have to click on this invite bot here and start the setup. Type in the chat setup, then the channel type you want. After the command, you will get a message if there is an error or the bot is done. If the bot does not respond, then check the permission in the channel and try to use it again like we will do it. The third step is customize and counter step. Here you can change the counter text like normal channels. Just right click on the channel and click on the edit channel option. Keep in mind that there must be a number somewhere in the name, only the first number in the channel. Like this, as you can see in front of you, the channel name. Fifth thing is add delete counters. This is optional. You can disable the counters by just deleting the counter or use the counter delete command and following the steps. You can add an additional counter with the following command counter create. You can see a full list of the counter within the command counter section on your PC or on your Discord if you're using it on your mobile device. So this is how you can do it actually. Thank you so much for watching this video.